Our trip started in Shepparton, heading towards Mount Hotham on a winter night. At first, the drive felt normal, quiet roads, a long stretch of highway, and nothing unusual. But as we got closer to the mountains, everything changed. The road stretched ahead, slowly disappearing under the thick blanket of snow. We started to see snow along the roadside. At first, it was light, almost fun, like a little preview of what was waiting for us at the top. But very quickly, the snow became heavier, and before we knew it, we were driving through a full snowstorm. It was scary. The road ahead almost disappeared under the white snow. Every corner of the road felt tricky but also amazing, because outside the car, the view looked unreal. Snow was falling everywhere. The trees on the side of the road were covered in white, and the whole place felt like we had stepped into another world. A winter wonderland. It wasn't the easiest drive. The snow made it slow and a bit stressful. It wasn't the easiest drive. My great aunt was driving the car and my mom was filming. The storm made it slow and a bit stressful, but it was also unforgettable. Every turn showed us how powerful and beautiful nature can be. By the time we reached closer to Mount Hotham, we knew the drive itself was the real adventure, not the destination. This trip will always stay with us. Not because of where we arrived, but because of the night we drove through the snowstorm to get here. Thanks so much for watching this snowy adventure from Shepparton to Mount Hotham. If you enjoyed the journey, make sure to stick around. More adventures are on the way.